Good morning, children. Today we want to see one activity which is related to know that viscosity, force, and viscosity. Okay, so what is that activity means? You have to for this activity you have to take a small quantity of different kinds of liquid. For example, oil, then honey, water, and some syrup. That and all you have to take a different type of liquid in a bottle. Then. You take four separate glass plate. Okay, for that liquid you take four separate glass plate. So you place one drop of each liquid, that is one drop of coconut oil or oil, then one drop of honey, water, and syrup in a separate glass plate. Now you gently raise one end of the glass plate one by one. uh, you make that liquid to slide down the smooth surface of the plate. Okay, you just make that liquid to slide down. So what do you observe? This is the activity. So what do you observe? You can see that liquids they move with different speed. For example, if you take water means it flows very faster than the other, that is oil, then honey, and that syrup, right? Water flows faster. So each liquid they moves with a different speed. So when a liquid is flowing, there is a frictional force. There is a force between the layers of the liquid, between the successive layers of the liquid. There is a force between the successive layers of the liquid. So this force acts opposite to the relative motion of the layer. This force is known as viscous force. Okay, so this property of a liquid is known as viscosity, and the force which act between the layers is known as viscous force. Okay, that viscous force, it opposes the motion of the liquid layers. Okay, while they are in motion, that force opposes the motion of the liquid layers while they are in motion. This force is known as viscous force, and that property of the liquid is known as viscosity. So viscosity force is measured by the unit poise. Okay, that it is measured by the unit poise, that and all given. This is about viscosity and viscous force.